Check out this new edition Aviator wallet, made in Germany. It's for those that want a well-made slim wallet or minimalist wallet. It's an adjustable card holder with a couple of USPs that sets it apart from other metal type card holders that are becoming so popular. But first, this edition is all about the material. It's the first brass wallet I've reviewed, and it has this durable stone-washed finish. Brass will develop an attractive patina as it ages and gains character, and you don't have to wait for it to look fantastic. They made the smart decision to stonewash the surface, which provides a rustic and aged appearance that you can enjoy from day one. I know a lot of you everyday carry enthusiasts like to stonewash your knives, and this fits firmly into the EDC wallet category, so they're right on point with their materials choice and finish. The components are tumbled for about 3 hours to achieve the stone-washed finish, then they're washed and polished. It feels buttery smooth and reassuringly weighted. It's a wallet that you don't have to be careful with. The more you handle it and expose it to air, moisture, scratches, and oils from your skin, the more it will oxidize and develop a darker, richer tone. And things you don't want, like fingerprints, aren't really a problem either, because fingerprints just don't show up on a stone-washed finish. Some of you like to watch the unboxing footage. I'll do my disclosures whilst that's happening. The brand sent me the wallet for free. They let me say whatever I want about the wallet. I got you a discount code that I'll put in the video description next to my affiliate link, which will take you to the brand store. If you use the link or the code to buy something, I can earn a small fee at no extra cost to you. This model is the Aviator Slide ONE wallet. It's designed to be a minimalist wallet with adjustable tension that allows the card holder to hold as little as 1 card or up to 20. This type of minimalist wallet is probably more relevant now than ever because banks no longer issue cards with embossed writing on them, which makes this experience better and smoother and means your slim wallet got slimmer because the stacked cards use less space. I've reviewed these minimalist style metal card holders from a few different brands, including ones I believe are popular, mostly due to being aggressively marketed in this sector. Yet most of these style wallets are just 2 metal plates under tension, which I find no more useful than wrapping an elastic band around my cards. I've found metal wallets by other brands tricky to get my cards in and out of, especially when there's a line of angry people waiting on me to get out of the way and pay for my stuff at the supermarket. But the Aviator wallet is foolproof to use because they have their unique pull-tab mechanism to eject the cards, which is both satisfying to play with and super fast to get at my cards. Function over style, helpful, not a hindrance. This makes Aviator wallets the only wallets of this type of metal plate construction that I personally use. In fact, I used this aluminium Aviator ONE wallet as my daily wallet for some time, which had also been sent in for free for a past review. See the description for that review and others that feature Aviator's carbon and aluminium wallets. Plus, the standard of in-house manufacturing in Germany with Aviator wallets is extremely high, and it feels like a finished product fit for sale, while other brands of these metal type card holders give me buyer's remorse when I unbox something that's so basic that I feel I could have made it myself. This is how I would use the wallet. I only carried 2, sometimes 3 cards, which is where I think most people that want a minimalist wallet will also be at. The wallet offers RFID protection for the credit cards, protecting them from digital theft, keeping your cards safe from unwanted card skimming. With 3 cards inserted, I measure it at around 10.5mm thick, excluding the removable clip. And you can adjust the tension on the expanding track so that you can have the right pressure to hold up to 20 cards. It comes preset, optimized for 6 to 9 cards. But even on the 6 to 9 card setting, I have good tension on 3 cards and wouldn't want to adjust it. But if you do, you can use the supply tool to remove the cover plates and change the position of these pins, referencing the instructions if you need to, but it's kind of self-explanatory. Just move the pins to the outermost positions to slacken it off, or to the innermost positions to make it tighter. If you want to accommodate lots of cards, you'd also relocate this pin to adjust the length on the pull tab. The inner frame is acrylic and extremely strong. I like the way the cards slide against the acrylic. You can optionally spec it to be supplied with an aluminium inner frame. I did wonder what prevents galvanic corrosion between the brass and aluminium contact surfaces, but the brand reminded me that the aluminium inner frame is anodized, eliminating that concern. On the reverse, you have a matching brass cash clip to push folded bills under. they're pretty snug, and while it's not designed to do this, I much prefer to push my cash between the carts. If you're an Apple user, you can buy a 3D printed AirTag holder to go here instead, like this, or a metal AirTag holder, like this one, with a choice of different colours. A common gripe of mine, I wish they'd maybe shape or lift the edges a little so I can grip the clip more easily. It's almost camouflaging itself in this autumn setting. The use of brass definitely provides a more timeless and natural aesthetic than the usual anodized aluminium offerings, departing from a toy-like appearance and adopting a premium and mature appeal.